So picked up a new project today. I'm going to call it the low buck C10, and pretty much it's a really clean '83 Chevy C10. And me and my girlfriend are going to go through it and get it right for her to drive. Have a backup truck. I had a new set of wheels and tires, so I ended up putting them on. The truck's a 350, and it was originally a turbo 350, and we got to find a transmission for it, but I know a guy that has one. It's a pretty clean, straight, rust-free truck. Both the window tracks are bad, but it's a pretty good old truck. And front brakes are locked up, so I drug it all the way up in the yard. Poor little tractor would barely pull it, but I'm really pleased with it. My girlfriend's really pleased with it, and we're gonna do a little bit at a time, and we're actually gonna keep up with the budget on this truck and post it and kind of give y'all some ideas to do to these C10s. Or you ain't got to spend a fortune to get one running or to use one, but you can do a lot with a little bit of money on the C10s and parts you already have maybe. So I'll do some more posting on this truck next week. I'm working on the engine right now, getting it cleaned up, but we'll get it cleaned up and show it off.